Hi, come with me to my hearing test at the Lyng Centre. The Lyng Centre has its own car park which is pay and display. You can get 1 hour for free and 2 hours for 80p.
If you come via bus or metro instead, you can access the building from this entrance, closest to West Bromwich High Street.
Let's go in and up to the 3rd floor. Sometimes, if you are particularly early, you may have to wait outside. Don't worry, you will be let in soon. Make sure you let the receptionist know you are here. Hi, I'm Eleanor, I have an appointment at 9:45. And relax. The audiologist will call you when it's your time to go in. They will guide you through what to expect during your appointment. They will usually ask some questions about your hearing and ear health first. They will then check your ears with a special torch which can tickle but will not hurt. Now it's time to test my hearing. They will put some headphones on and give you a button. Listen carefully for the beeps and press every time you hear one. Sometimes they may need to use a different headband too. Afterwards, the audiologist may explain the results and any action which may be recommended. And I'm all done. Don't forget, there are lots of details about getting here using different forms of transport like the bus on the back of your appointment letter. We look forward to seeing you soon.